The Maverick was a bit critical of the West Indies women for bursting into those wild scenes of prolonged celebration after realizing that they had secured a place in the semi-finals of the ICC World Cup. I thought at the time they went overboard in rejoicing as if them win the title. Well, the semi-final came and went, and the ladies got clobbered by the unstoppable Australians. And in hindsight, I now fully understand those celebrations. Because really and truly, this West Indies team overachieved in this tournament. They punched way above their weight to get to the semi-final. This is a team that struggled to bat 50 overs or to make 200 runs with any consistency leading into the World Cup. This is not a very balanced team. The batting is over-reliant on their top three, DeAndre Dotting, Haley Matthews, and Stephanie Taylor. A not so special bowling attack and a very ordinary in the field. So all in all, the West Indies women did exceptionally well to make it so far in this tournament at the expense of some bigger and better teams like India and New Zealand. So my Maverick apologies to the ladies of the West Indies team. Rewind the celebrations. You are World Cup semi-finalists. Enjoy and bask in your moment. Well done, ladies. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done.